The discipline of maintenance and reliability is the latest evolution in the knowledge of industrial maintenance. This is the reason why certifications like the CMRP are sought after in the industry. It is becoming increasingly important for professionals in the field of maintenance to develop sound understanding of the concepts of maintenance management and reliability engineering, and also prove it by obtaining coveted certifications like the CMRP. This is what this course is based on. Since maintenance and reliability is a vast discipline, any body of knowledge that tries to teach this subject always divides it into sub-disciplines. The CMRP body of knowledge has divided the subject of maintenance and reliability into 5 main pillars. These include business and management, manufacturing process reliability, equipment reliability, leadership and organization, and work management. Each of these pillars is a knowledge area in and of itself. It is worthy of being treated as a subject on its own. The subject of this course is the 5th pillar, that is, work management. This course is an introduction to the basic concepts of maintenance and reliability with focus on the sub-discipline of work management. This course will teach you all of the basic concepts of maintenance work management, with lectures having intuitive and easy to understand explanations. After you have developed understanding of the concepts, this course will sharpen your understanding of this important subdiscipline through more than 100 practice test questions distributed throughout the course and designed to make you ready for the CMRP certification exam or any other similar certification. So let's get started. I am looking forward to seeing you in the course.